Hi there, my name is Dylan McDowell, and today I'm going to show you how to set up and use the Vanta's onboard barcode scanning feature. Users can use the panoramic camera on their Vanta to scan barcodes and have that information entered in the test info fields. Any Vanta that has a panoramic camera can use this feature. To use it, you first need to set up and deploy a notes template onto your instrument that has the new barcode field type. You can set up a notes template using Fleet Manager. For more details on using Fleet Manager, including creating notes templates and deploying it onto your instrument, see our previous Vanta tutorial videos. Here I've already gone through and created a note template called QC Notes that I'm going to use to add my new barcode field. To add it, click the plus icon here in the edit screen, type in the name of the note field you want. I'm going to call mine Code Scan, and then in the menu here, select the option for barcode and press OK. And with that, it's added in the new note field into my note template. If you're finished editing it, you can go ahead and deploy this note template onto your instrument and start using it right away. Let's take a look and see it in action on the instrument. Now that I've deployed my notes template onto my analyzer, I'm now ready to scan some barcodes and take some tests. If you look over on my analyzer here, in the main test screen, I can expand out the notes field by pressing the plus icon on the notes tab here. And then, amongst the tabs here, you can see the code scan field that I generated earlier. If I tap into that field, it'll bring up the panoramic camera image that I'm going to use to scan the barcodes. The idea is to align your barcode inside the scan rectangle here in the center. So if I take my analyzer and bring it over to my sample here, line up the rectangle to the marker there, and it will scan the barcode and enter the info of that barcode into that note field. If I want to go through and rescan the image, what I would do is tap into any other notes field and then tap into the barcode scan field again to bring up the barcode image. And there I can rescan the barcode as needed. Rescanning a barcode will overwrite the previous note field's entry. You can use this feature both with the optional notes entry, like I showed you here, as well as the force notes entry feature on the analyzer. Additionally, you can manually edit text after you've scanned a barcode. To do so, simply tap into the field to bring up the camera image, and then press the X icon at the top to close the image and use the on-screen keyboard to type into the field. And there, you can type in whatever text you would like. And that's it. That's how easy it is to use the barcode scanning feature on your Vanta.